Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be all about fenugreek. If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you've already heard about fenugreek and all its hair benefits. Today, I'm going to be showing 3 different ways to use fenugreek seeds to promote stronger, healthier and longer hair. So the first and most common way to use fenugreek seeds is to make fenugreek oil. This is probably the most popular way you've probably seen on YouTube. We have a video we previously filmed on how we make fenugreek oil. I'll link it down below if you're interested in watching it. Starting out, what you're going to need is a glass or plastic jar, fenugreek seeds, a carrier oil of your choice. We always go between coconut oil, castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, or even grapeseed oil.
I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast.
The choice of carrier oil today is coconut oil and olive oil. These are our best oils to mix with fenugreek. Coconut oil sometimes solidifies, but once mixed with olive oil, it tends to stay in its liquid form. There are no exact measurements, so we eyeball the seeds and then pour the coconut and olive oil within proportion of the fenugreek seeds. Once done off camera, we proceed to store the oil in a dark cupboard for 10 days so that the seeds can brew into the oil. After 10 days, it tends to have a golden brown undertone and it has a sweet maple syrup scent. We absolutely love the smell of this oil. Also, this oil really softens our hair and we tend to have a lot less shedding once used. The second and most common way to use fenugreek seeds is fenugreek water. To make this, you pour your desired amount of fenugreek seeds into a pot. I eyeballed roughly 4 tablespoons of seeds. I then proceeded to fill up a quarter of the pot with water and I let it brew for 10 to 15 minutes. Fenugreek seeds have a rich concentrate of vitamins and nutrients that are essential for your hair follicles to remain healthy and enhance hair growth. Fenugreek is also known for its detangling properties. It conditions the hair and makes it shiny. It also has antibacterial properties that prevent dandruff and an itchy scalp. Fenugreek not only prevents hair breakage, but it promotes growth of dormant hair follicles. Once the water is brewed, I let the fenugreek water cool down before pouring it into my spray bottle for usage. At this point, I can smell it and it smells just like maple syrup. Fenugreek water is warm and now ready to be transferred into my spray bottle. So I proceeded to pour it and then make it more special by adding 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. Now that it's ready, don't forget to store it in the fridge for usage. The final way to use fenugreek seeds is to make a fenugreek hair mask. Now, I would strongly suggest that you use fenugreek powder instead of fenugreek seeds. This is because the fenugreek seeds tend to leave a bit of residue and seeds in your hair, and it's super difficult to wash off. Trust me, we learned the wrong way. So I would strongly suggest that you use fenugreek powder.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
We proceeded to boil the fenugreek seeds a lot longer just to soften it so that it could easily be blended.
I've been thinking about you.
You can grind your own fenugreek seeds or use the store-bought powder. We strongly would suggest you go with the store-bought powder just so that you don't have to go through the straining or trying to get the seeds out of your hair. The powder just works best. The fenugreek powder is supposed to be mixed with milk or yogurt. For this hair mask, I would strongly suggest full-fat yogurt or milk, as they usually work the best. They deliver protein to the hair and help strengthen it and heal damage.
I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking?
Once boiled, we put the fenugreek seeds in with the milk into a blender to blend.
About me. I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
And once blended, it had a thick and creamy consistency. It smelled like oatmeal, but it looked like chia pudding. And this is the reason it was so difficult to get out of our hair, because it literally was the size of chia seeds.
Cause I've been thinking about you. I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
Once the mask is ready, it's best to put it into a container with a plastic lid. This allows it to sit in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours whilst it thickens up.
Suddenly I feel so rich. But I don't.
Once we removed it from the fridge, we decided to add about 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil before applying it into our hair. This just allows it to be more lubricated once applying onto your hair. Fenugreek is honestly amazing for the hair. These are our 3 favorite ways of using fenugreek. There are multiple ways you can use fenugreek for your hair, but these are our favorites. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below what ways you use fenugreek and if you've actually tried using fenugreek for your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!